Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef Wellington easy. Start by trimming the tenderloin and seasoning generously, then sear briefly to build flavor. Prepare a dry mushroom duxelles and cool fully. Wrap the chilled beef and prosciutto in puff pastry with care, seal edges, and chill again. Bake until pastry is golden and internal temp reaches desired doneness. Rest before slicing for best results and clean. In this video, I will show how to make beef Wellington easy. Focus on prep, trim, dry, and chill. Keep work surfaces and pastry cold to prevent tearing. Build layers in this order: prosciutto, duxelles, seared beef, then wrap gently but firmly. Use an egg wash for a golden finish and a shallow vent to release steam. Monitor oven temp and use an instant read thermometer for precise doneness. In this video, I will show how to make beef Wellington easy. Sear briefly over high heat to develop a crust while keeping the center cool. Chill the wrapped Wellington so pastry stays flaky and seals properly. Bake on a preheated sheet until pastry is evenly golden and internal beef temp reaches your preferred level. Let the Wellington rest 10 minutes to redistribute juices, which makes slicing neater and flavor more balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.